Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the simultaneous total differential equation and equation of the form dx by p is equal dy by q is equal dz by r. This type of equations are solved in two types. First one is method of grouping and another one is method of multipliers. Today we are going to discuss about the method of grouping. Method of grouping means we can consider any two factors and we can integrate. The two factors are considered depending upon the dx terms are with x and dy terms are with y and dz are with z terms. In that way only we have to consider the factors. So dx, so given, let's see one problem. Solve the equation dx by y square is equal dy by x square is equal dz by x square y square z square. So given equation is this one. First two fractions are, we are considering first two fractions. If we consider these two, x square term is with dx and y square term is dy. So we can consider this one. So dx by y square is equal dy by x square. So x square dx is equal to y square dy. Integrating on both sides, integral x square dx is equal to integral y square dy. That is x cube by 3 is equal y cube by 3 plus c1. So x cube minus y cube is equal to 3c1. This is the one solution. So we can consider dx by y square is equal to dz by x square y square. If suppose if you consider last two terms, so this y square get cancelled and x square z square will be there. So by cross multiplying x square dx is equal z by dz by z square. I can consider like this, or we can consider last two terms also. We can consider any two terms. So in this problem I am considering equating last two fractions. So dy by x square is equal dz by x square y square z square. So y square dy is equal to dz by z square. Integrating on both sides, y square dy is equal integral dz by z square. Integral y square, that is y cube by 3. Integral dz by z square, that is minus 1 by z plus c2. Y cube by 3 plus 1 by z is equal to c2. Zy cube plus 3 is equal to 3z c2. So these two are the solutions of the given total differential equation. So let's see another problem. Solve x dx by y square z is equal dy by xz is equal dz by y square. So here also we can apply method of grouping. If you consider first two factors, z get cancelled, x square y square we can get. So we can consider first two factors. Equating first two fractions. So x dx by y square z is equal dy by xz. Z get cancelled, x square dx is equal y square dy. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, x cube by 3 is equal y cube by 3 plus c1. That is x cube minus y cube is equal 3c1. Equating first and last fractions, x dx by y square z is equal dz by y square. Y square get cancelled, x dx is equal z dz. Integrating on both sides, x square by 2 is equal z square by 2 plus c2. That is x square minus z square is equal to c2. These two are the fractions. So let's see another problem. So method of grouping means we can consider any two groups. The condition is that x terms are with dx and y terms are with dy and z terms are with dz. If that condition is satisfied, we can consider any two factors. Suppose in this problem, if you consider uh, if you consider these two terms, dy by xz is equal dz by y square, here there is no chance to cancel it in. If you cross multiplying it, y square dy, so x term is extra, x term is there, x is there, so but there is no dx, so we do not consider last two terms. So the condition is that x terms are with dx and y terms are with dy. Suppose if you consider like this, y square get cancelled, x dx is equal to z dy. Integrating on both sides, x square by 2 is equal to z square by 2 plus c2. So let's see another problem. Solve dx by x square dx by x square plus 2y square minus dy by xy is equal to dz by xz. So dx by x square plus 2y square minus dy by xy is equal to dz by xz. Equating first two fractions. If you equating first two fractions, so here we can reduce into the linear differential equation or Bernoulli's differential equation. So here there is a possibility to reduce into the linear. So first we are considering first two factors by cross multiplying it, minus x square plus 2y square by xy. So x dx by dy is equal minus of x square plus 2y square by y. So x into dx by dy is equal to plus x square into 1 by y is equal to minus 2y. Multiplying with 2 on both sides. 2x dx dy is equal to x square into 2 by y is equal to minus 4y. Put x square is equal to z. 2x dx is equal to dz. So in place of 2x dx we can write dz. So dz by y is equal to z into 2 by y is equal to minus 4y, which is a linear equation of the order 1. So integrating factor is e power integral 2y dy. So e power 2 into log y. So e power log y square, that is y square. So y square is the integrating factor. The solution is z into integrating factor is equal to integral q of x into dy is equal to c1. So here integrating factor is y square. Q of y is equal to minus 4y y square into dy plus c1. So zy square is equal to minus 4y cube into dy plus c1. So zy square is equal to minus 4 y power 4 plus c1. So in place of z we can write x square. So x square y square plus y power 4 is equal to c1. So integrating on both sides, again we can consider this dz by integrating on both sides, integral dz by z is equal to integral minus dy by y, because here we are considering last two terms. The last two terms are minus dy by xy is equal to dz by xz. Here xx get cancelled, so we will get dz by, here xx get cancelled, we will get dz by z is equal minus dy by y. Integrating on both sides, log z is equal to log y, that is equal to log c2, and minus log y. If log y comes this side, plus log y becomes log a plus log b. Log zy is equal to log c2, zy is equal to c2. So zy is equal to c2 is one solution, and x square plus y square plus y power 4 is equal to c1 is another solution. These two solutions. Here we are applying method of grouping. Method of grouping condition is we can consider any two fractions. The condition is that x terms are with dx and y terms are with dy and z terms are with dz. If you consider any two fractions, these condition must be satisfied.